G'day, welcome to Pay It Forward everybody, and Happy New Year to you all. We are about to bounce into the new year in Masterclass with this month's project, and it is everybody's favourite tiger. So the latest character from our group of friends from the 100 Acre Wood. You all know who I'm talking about, and he is a very flamboyant, very bouncy and very extroverted character, and he has brought absolute joy to my month this month, and I hope he will to your January and give you a really joyful, happy start to the new year. So let's take a closer look. So here is our beautiful bouncing boy, our beautiful TerribleTiger, Tigger as you all would recognise him as. And I've had, as I said, such an amazing time putting this one together. Definitely the finishing touch in our series. I'll show you the others with him in a moment, but this month in Masterclass we are going to be using a few different techniques because I'm showing you how to fully colour without using an airbrush. So no airbrushing in this one. We have sculpting, we have a completely different style of head shape, a more animated style. We've got felting in here, we've got armature in those arms. He's jointed at the neck, shoulders and at the legs and tail. That beautiful stripy tail. Now you can make him up in mohair, you can make him up in fleece, corduroy, any kind of heavier weight fabric. Get creative with this because you can thrift fabrics and you could really put a really fantastic artist spin on this one. He's just a joyful character and I'm so glad I finally got to him. I'm sure you're going to love him. You can embellish him any way you like. There's so many ways to personalise him. I've put him together in a way that he is halfway, but he's my own interpretation of the original character. He's halfway between the very animated Disney style, which I love, and the new Christopher Robin movie style, which is more of a vintage, well-loved toy. So he sits somewhere in the middle, as do the other characters. So he's a big boy. He's definitely a big boy because these other characters were big too, but he's the tallest of the group. So let's bring in Eeyore. So we've got Eeyore there, who looks absolutely gorgeous with him. So many of you have made beautiful Eeyores. Then of course we've got Piglet. Piglet can sit in there with him. That's just a bit cute there. He can give him a bit of a cuddle. And then we have, of course, we can't leave out beautiful Winnie the Pooh, and I'm just most excited to see all of you who've already made the others complete your set. Now I'm not saying that this is the end of this series. I'm not making any promises, but there's one more character that I would like to make. But these four always go together, and now it's lovely to see the gang all together again. So I hope I've tempted some of you. I know those of you who have already made the other three will be adding to complete the crew, and I hope you have as much fun as I did in creating this very, very happy, very extroverted little man. So ready, set, go. For some of you, I know some of you are chomping at the bit for this one. I'm very excited. I hope that you're all happy with my choice for this month, and I hope it gives you a really joyful start to the year. It certainly has for me. So come along and join our Facebook page so that you can share your creations, anything you've made with my patterns, whether it be Masterclass or Pay It Forward. Come along and share those on that page and you'll see what everybody else is making with my patterns. There is so much going on behind the scenes at Pay It Forward here at the moment, and you'll see lots of changes, all for the better, lots more content for all of you, and I hopefully be able to be interacting with you all a whole lot more in different ways. So I'm excited about that. So if you want to join Masterclass, if our beautiful tiger has tempted you, come along and check out the links below and you'll be able to find Masterclass and come and join up. And of course, when you join Masterclass at the moment, you have access to every single project we've already done in Masterclass. So it's a whole great big library. and you can unsubscribe at any time. So I hope to see more of you jump over there. And remember, anybody wants to talk to me privately, if you need to ask me a question or you just like to have a chat, I've got so many friends, like-minded friends there on Instagram. Come and chat to me there. That address is across your screen. You can ask me anything at all. I love to hear from you all, and I do my best to get to you all. And if I miss you, just put it right under my nose, send me another message, and I'm sure I'll see it. I'm very busy designing at the moment, so much in store for you all, as I said. I hope you're all doing well. I hope you had a fantastic festive season and loving time with family or friends, or just with yourselves. I hope you were creative, and I hope you continue to pay all of those good things forward. So until next time, it is hooroo from me.